Hey there, beauty lovers! It's RJ, and today we're diving into the wild world of makeup mishaps. We've all been there, and it's time to laugh at those hilarious beauty blunders. Let's get started. Ever tried to nail that perfect red lip and ended up looking like you just devoured a plate of spaghetti? Yeah, me too. Lipstick can be tricky. And then there's the infamous winged eyeliner. One side is always on point, and the other, well, it's in a different time zone. Anyone with this? Contour gone wrong. I once tried to chisel those cheekbones but ended up looking like I just rolled in dirt. Foundation mismatch. Ever bought a shade that's way too dark? Mascara mishaps. One second you're applying mascara, the next you're starring in a raccoon-themed horror movie. The best part about these blunders is that they're totally fixable. Grab a makeup wipe, laugh it off, and try again. Beauty is all about experimenting and having fun. Thanks for joining me on this hilarious journey through makeup mishaps. Don't forget to share your own beauty blunders in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun and relatable beauty content. Until next time, keep laughing and stay fabulous.